I'm Justin Callahan, and today we're going to be doing the floating man experiment. So today I'm going to be showing you the floating man experiment, or you can basically draw any picture on a plate like this with a dry erase marker and some water. So these are the three materials you're going to need. It's just simply going to be some sort of plate that you can that can hold water and that you can easily draw on it, and a dry erase marker. So let's get started. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to be simply drawing any sort of figure or stick figure, whatever you choose. So make sure you press hard enough to where it stays on the plate strong. And now let's dump water on it and let's see what happens. So now we're going to slowly pour the water, not too hard, but onto our plate and onto our stick figure. And we'll slowly see the stick figure start to lift off. To become floating in the water. So now the stick figure is completely floating in the water, and we can move it around as we please. So you can do this with any sort of drawing. You can draw a whole spaceship if you want on this plate. You can do it with whatever you want, but now as long as the stick figure's in the water, it's free to move all around the plate. So a lot of people are going to be wondering, how does this stick figure or this dry erase marker just lift off in water? And the answer is simple, is that because dry erase markers are insoluble, meaning that they cannot dissolve in any form of liquid, it allows them to lift off any sort of surface that it's drawn on if put in any sort of liquid, like water. Because dry erase markers lack few adhesive qualities, that means they can be easily erased. This lack of adhesive allows the water to lift off and make the drawing essentially come to life, rather than just sticking to the dish, because adhesive does mean sticking to the dish. So once this dry erase marker has some water on it, it can easily just come to life, and it can be your own floating